Hi all, this is Nidhiya. So today's topic is consumer's budget, that is budget set and budget line. Let us understand what is budget line. A budget line is a line showing different combinations of two goods which a consumer can buy with a given income and given price of the goods. I hope this thing is not clear to you, so let me make you more clear with the help of an example. Suppose income of the consumer is rupees 50. So I am writing here income of the consumer denoting as M is rupees 50. Consumer need to spend on two goods, that is good X and good Y. Here you can take any example, apple, banana, orange, anything. But here I am taking good X and good Y. Assuming price of good X is rupees 10 per unit and price of good Y is 5 per unit. Let us see the various combinations that consumer can buy with the given income and given prices. First combination consumer can buy is, suppose consumer need to spend his entire income on good X. So what will be the first combination? 5x plus 0y is equals to 50. That means 5 into 10, that is price of X is 10 plus 0 into Y, price of Y is 5. So is equals to 50. That means consumer can buy 5 units of X with no units of Y with his given income. Second combination is consumer can buy 4 units of X plus 2 units of Y. So look here, 4 into price of X is 10 plus price of Y is 5. 40 plus 10 is 50. Now third combination, consumer can buy 3 units of X plus 4 units of Y with his given income. That means 3 into 10 plus 4 into 5 is equals to, see, 30 plus 20 is equals to 50. Clear? Now fourth combination, consumer can buy 2 units of X plus 6 units of Y. See, 2 into 10 plus 6 into 5. That means 20 plus 30 is equals to 50. Clear? Now fifth combination is 1 unit of X plus 8 unit of Y is equals to 50. So 1 into 10 plus 8 into 5. 10 plus 40 is equals to 50. Clear? Now sixth combination, that consumer buys no unit of X and 10 units of Y. That means 0 into 10 plus 10 into 5 is equals to 50. So what you can see here is that maximum unit of X that consumer can buy is 5 and maximum unit of Y he can buy is 10. Clear? Now these are the various combinations of X and Y that consumer can buy with his given income. Remember, there is an assumption in the budget line that consumer need to spend his entire income. Now, if we plot this combination diagrammatically, we can see that, see, from the above data, we can see that good X we have plotted in the horizontal axis and good Y on the vertical axis. Clear? Maximum unit of good X we can purchase is 5. Clear? Maximum unit of Y that can be taken is 10. Clear? This much is clear. Good X I have taken in the horizontal axis, good Y on the vertical axis. Maximum unit of X can be taken as 5 and maximum unit of Y can be taken as 10. Remember, we need to remember this, consumer will purchase maximum unit of X and maximum unit of Y. Clear? Now, if we join this line if we join this line, we will get a, if we join this straight line, we will get a budget line or the price line. This is known as the budget line or the price line. Clear? Now, if we show, that means here maximum unit of 5 that can be taken is, of x is 5x is equals to 50, and this is the 10y. So just have a look. 10y plus 0x is equals to 50. Now we can show various other combinations. We can show various other combinations in a budget line. So just have a look. We have already done this 10y plus 0x. We can write like this also. 8y plus 1x. This is the y. So 8y plus 1x. See? Clear? 6y 2x. This is the x. I'm very bad in drawing, okay? Now 4y plus 3x. 2y plus 4x, and 5x is equals to 50. So what I can see here is that I am writing 8y plus 1x is equals to 50, 6y plus 2x is equals to 50, 4y plus 3x is equals to 50, and 2y plus 4x is equals to 50, and 5x is equals to 50. So what you can see here is that, just I am erasing so that you can understand properly. So have a look in this diagram. So what you can see here is that all combination means 5, 0, 4, 2, 3, 4, these are the combinations. 4, 2, 3, 4. So these are the combinations. So what we can see here is all combinations in a single budget line, all combinations in a single budget line show the quantity of x and y. Clear? That can be purchased with the given income. Clear? This much is, I hope this much is clear. So one important thing to remember is that difference between the indifference curve and the budget line. In an indifference curve, all points that lie on the same indifference curve give the same level of satisfaction. But in budget line, all combinations shows the same expenditure. All combinations in a single budget line shows the same level of expenditure. In an indifference curve is related with the same level of satisfaction, but not concerned with the same level of expenditure. Whereas budget line is not related with the same level of satisfaction. Only it is concerned with the same level of expenditure. Clear? Now, this budget line is a downward sloping. Why it is downward sloping? Already I have discussed that because of the inverse relationship of the consumption of two goods. If you need to increase the consumption of good X, you need to decrease the consumption of good Y. Clear? It is downward sloping. It has a negative slope. Now, this is the concept of the consumer's budget. In the next class, I will make you clear about the just increase or decrease in the price of the budget. Clear? Thank you.